Roombr's Library, your one-stop destination for recorded, edited, and published lessons, as well as uploaded files. Let's explore the library's features. In the Library menu, you'll find two tabs, Lessons and Files. In the Lessons tab, you can access recorded, edited, and published lessons. Let's start with the Recorded tab. Here, you'll find all the lessons you've recorded. You can play, edit, or delete them as needed. Next, let's move on to the Edited tab. In the Edited tab, you can view all the lessons you've edited but haven't published yet. You can publish or delete them. Now, let's explore the Published tab. In the Published tab, you can access all the lessons published by teachers in your institute. You can watch them, navigate between videos and topics, and also you can attend tests. And view attached files. In the Guest User tab, you'll find all the class sessions recorded by guest users. You can play, edit, or publish them to a class. And that's Roombr's Library for you, a treasure trove of educational resources at your fingertips.
Roombr.